Hello, this is Environmental Science with Lab Online. I'm going to just take a few minutes to talk about navigating the course. When you open up the course page, you're going to see on the left-hand column that there's a couple links. One is the course syllabus information and then course content. Those are the ones that you're primarily going to be using while completing this course. So let's just take a look at the course syllabus link. And then when you click on that, it's going to have a link for the course syllabus. It's a PDF document. If you just click on that PDF document, it will show you the online version of the syllabus. And back at the course homepage, if we next go on to the link for the course content, you'll see that you'll be able to see the course content for Unit 1. If you click on that link for Unit 1, it will show you the assignments. So for Unit 1, there are 3 lectures, and those 3 lectures include 3 PowerPoint documents, and you can look at those in preparation the for each of the units. Also, the book is available in McGraw-Hill. So the PowerPoint's good to look at first because it gives you an idea what the main points are, and then read through the chapter. So in this case, there's 3 different chapters, and then there's 3 quizzes, and the quizzes are due on February the 11th. You can submit them after the due date, but there's a deduction of 10% of the final grade for their assignment. And the quizzes, it's unlimited. You can take them as many times as you would like. The test, which is also due on February the 11th, that you can take 3 times. It's the best grade of 3. But again, if you submit it after February the 11th, then there'll be a deduction of 10%. And then there's a lab. So generally speaking, there's going to be 1 or more lab activities or other assignments associated with each